Hey everyone, for the last few weeks, subscribers have been writing to me daily with the same questions. How are you so confidently opening deals? I repeat your steps, but I lose money. What is your secret? Believe me, I understand you perfectly. There is an understanding of the market, the strategies are learned, but there is no result. This is a typical trap for most of the beginners fall into. The reason? It's all about emotions. I started trading more than 6 years ago, and my first deposit flew away literally in an hour. $100 for 40 minutes, usual business. Then I realized one important thing. Knowledge and strategies are not enough. The real breakthrough begins when you study the psychology of trading. Fear, greed, doubt, these things are invisible, but they prevent you from making the right decisions. Trading is not only calculation, but also self-control. Always remember the 3 golden rules. First, strictly follow your strategy. Second, control the risk, no more than 10% of transactions. And third, don't trade on emotions. And if you want to trade stably, join my Telegram channel. There's a link to my broker strategies with a deposit bonus, my author strategies, and finally, support personally from me. Look at the reviews of those who have already passed together with me. And now to practice, I will clearly show you how emotions affect the result. Watch the video until the end. There are hidden conditions for drawing the startup capital. Our first trading pair is going to be the Australian dollar pair. So we fly down for 1 minute, $144. We take into account the last fractal signal, indicating us a decrease, and we simply follow it. Always remember, if you're working with fractals, your discrepancy between the last arrow and the opening of the deal should be a maximum of 2 to 3 candles. The longer your distance, the more likely it is that your deal will not be profitable and you will lose it. So the signal has shown itself. Well, plus $132 of profit, more than $1,000 on our balance right now. Let's move on. Let's stay focused. You can see here our next trading pair. So we fly up for 1 minute, still $144. The last relevant fractal signal up, $144. We have a little downward correction here, but we are not worried at all. Not even double the transaction time. And now the signal has gone up. We are waiting for the final 20 seconds and again plus $132. $132 of profit. We move on. We move on to our next trading pair. Canadian dollar, famous pair. We fly down for 1 minute, $144. The last relevant fractal signal for us is a decrease. So we sit and wait. Small upward correction, but there is no need to worry. We have a discrepancy between the last relevant signal and our transaction. It's not very large, so we have a high degree of probability. Our transaction will go into plus, as you can see here. In addition, you can see for yourself that the chart cannot break through the higher, which means it will eventually go down. And so we got a plus again. To make your first million, all I needed was internet access and self-belief. Crazy, right? Most new traders don't get this, and even fewer ever start. If I hadn't believed in this opportunity and seized it, watch this video until the end and I'll reveal my 5-step system to make $1,000 per day and scale to 1 million per year in profits. Let's go to our next trading pair, which is the euro and the British pound. So again, we go down $144. The last relevant fractal signal for us is a decrease. So we calmly wait out the correction and wait for us to have a plus. Final 5 seconds and again. plus $132. And then we have another trading pair, another famous pair also, the Australian dollar and the USD. We fly into a decline 1 minute, $144. I'm actually scared of the correction, so let's press roll over, double the expiration time and deal amount, and so we already have 2 minutes down and $288 deal amount. We wait, and as a result, a powerful jack down. We have a plus $264 of profit. Final total profit $1,682. This is good. This is awesome. I fucking love this. That's it. Coolness won. Emotions, leave them to the crowd. You must become a predator in the market, not a whiner. Want the same? Then welcome to my Telegram. There are real guys, real deals, and money that those who give up at their first minus never dreamed of. The reviews speak for themselves. I do not promise, I show. Everything is open. And now, the action. Every week, I raffle off bonuses. Do you want to participate? Fly into Telegram and wait for the pin. Everything is as simple as possible. Act right now. I will be back soon with even more powerful content. We are not saying goodbye. We have just begun. And good luck. We are waiting for the final 20 seconds and a gain plus $132. $132 of profit. We move on.